Hey guys, welcome back to eVivid Artistry. My name is Emily Ardith, so I'm back. It's been a longer break than I thought it would. The only thing I can say about that is life. I got busy. I had other priorities I needed to take care of, but I really wanted to get a video out there for Christmas, and I really wanted you guys to have a nice look to go off of if you are lost on what kind of looks you are going for this Christmas season. So of course, since this channel is named eVivid Artistry, it's going to be a very colorful, not classic, Christmas or holiday look. It'll be very easy, it'll be very colorful, and there will be a lot of glitter involved as well. So if you guys want to see how I get this very festive, very easy look, then please keep on watching. Alright, so I went ahead off camera and I did my eyebrows and I prepped my eyelids for the eyeshadow. I didn't set my base at all. I wanted it to be nice and tacky for the eyeshadow so that it sticks and stays on all day or all night if you're going to be wearing this for a night out or for a party or just staying inside. So I will now be taking my Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 eyeshadow palette, and I will be taking the shade called Livin' My Best, and using a small packing brush, I am just going to be taking that shade and I'm just going to be pressing that all over the lid and into the crease. Alright, so now that your eyes look like they're bleeding, I am now going to be taking a precise blending brush, and I'm going to be taking that same shade, and I will be blending the top of the shadow just so it doesn't look so harsh. So now that that is a little bit blended, I want it to be even more so. So I'm going to go ahead and take that white shade from the same palette called Certified, and I will be placing it on my brow bone area to set it, and then I will continue to blend this shade so it doesn't look so muddy. Alright, so now that my eyes have been blown out and are just pure red, only that one shade and then the white on the brow bone, I am now going to be taking my little quad stack that I got from Walmart many years ago during Halloween, and I'll be taking the top section. And it is a loose gold glitter. So I'll be taking a little bit of my NYX glitter glue, and then I will be taking that glitter and placing it in the center and then just kind of blending out the sides. So it'll be like a halo eye with the glitter in the center. So now that the glitter is placed where I want it, I am now going to go ahead and go off camera and do the rest of my foundation and base, and when I come back I will do the lower lash line. My hair always looks crazy after I'm done with my face. Alright, so now that the rest of my face is completely done, I just did some nice bronzing, a little more of a stronger contour, just because it's a little bit more of a bolder look. I'm now going to be jumping into my Hyper Color palette by Suva Beauty, and I will be taking the shade called Euphoria, and I'll be using the same small packer brush that I used for the red eyeshadow, and I will be placing that on the lower lash line, and I will be dragging it down a little bit lower than I normally do, just to make it look really bold and smoky and Christmassy. Alright, so now that I have the green on my lower lash line and up with the red and kind of blended together a little bit, I am now going to be taking a very fine glitter, one that I actually got from Walmart, and it has gold glitter and a lot of green and some silver. It reminded me a lot of like just a glittery green Christmas, so I really wanted to put this on my lower lash line, and it has the same gold tones as my lid, so I believe it'll blend very well together while bringing out more of that green tone. And I'll just be placing that on the center of my lower lash line. Alright, now that is completely it for the eyeshadow. So I'm now going to go off camera and I'm going to put on my lashes and I'm going to do a couple different lipstick options for you. And when I come back, you will see the final look and different variations of the final look. Alright, so this is the final look. I showed a couple different lip options. The first lip option was a NARS liquid lipstick in the color Superwoman, and the second one was a Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the color Crocodile Tears. And that's the one that I am currently wearing at this moment. I always love to have an excuse to use this liquid lipstick because it is out of this world. I'm very happy with how this look turned out. It's very nice, very glittery. It looks very dramatic, especially with the different lip colors. I really like that red eyeshadow from the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 eyeshadow palette. I think it is absolutely stunning. And I completely forgot that in the Hypercolor palette there is a matte red in there, so if you just have the Hypercolor palette, go ahead and just use that. Please don't feel like you have to, and I should have prefaced this at the beginning of my channel and in every video, please don't feel like you have to go out and buy these exact palettes. Please just use the colors that you already have, but if you are looking for good recommendations for eyeshadow palettes that I personally would recommend in order to achieve a look like this, or similar looks or anything like that, these are just the ones that I really love and that I use all the time. So again, please don't feel like you have to go out and buy these in order to achieve this look. Use what you have at your disposal already. But if you are in the market, these ones are really nice, or things that are similar to this are really nice. This is just what I have. I hope you guys liked this look and I hope you guys found it easy to follow. I hope you guys found it easy to do. I personally found it very easy to do, but it looks very dramatic and festive and I am all about that. So if you guys liked this video and if you liked the look, please leave a like down below and also comment down below on looks you would like to see me do or products you would like to see me try out. Or if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, just put them all down there and I will read them and respond to as many as I can. Also, please subscribe to the channel. All of this really does help me out a lot. And with all of that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!